Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I want to talk about the battery situation on my iPhone 6. So this is kind of like an update video with the Nohon or Nephy battery, if you guys remember. I reviewed both of those batteries. Anyway, recently the Nephy battery conked out on me. My phone just completely stopped working. It wouldn't turn on. Nothing. I tried resetting it. Nothing. So I ended up taking the Nephy battery out of my phone. I put one of my older third-party batteries, I don't know if you remember, but I had a KHP battery that I reviewed a while ago. And actually from the KHP I went to the Nohon, and from the Nohon I went to the Nephy. Anyway, the Nephy died on me. I went back to the KHP because the Nephy was just completely dead. And so I was going to send my phone into Apple because of that whole promotion that they're offering right now. I believe it's like $30 to $40 to replace your iPhone battery with an OEM battery, but I decided against that because they are making it a little bit complicated. Well, at least for me, they're making it complicated because I do need to reserve the battery, and then that takes time. Then I need to arrange an appointment with the Apple, and I just find it to be a nuisance. So I decided that instead of doing that, I'm going to purchase one last battery. This is the Baseus battery. It's a 22 or 2300 milliamp hour battery, so it's a higher capacity battery than these Nephy, Nohon, KHP batteries. It's also a third-party battery, but hopefully it has higher quality cells. I'm hoping that it does, and so hopefully I'll get longer screen on time, also known as SOT. So I ordered the Baseus battery. I didn't get it yet. I should be getting it in about 2 to 3 weeks or 4 weeks, hopefully less. I don't know. Shipping from China is kind of unpredictable, so yeah, I don't really know when to expect it, so I'm just giving you a rough estimate. But once I do get it, I'll review it for you guys, so I'll use it for a couple of weeks, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on it. I'll let you know if I get longer SOT, longer screen on time, and all that other good stuff. But so far, these third-party batteries are giving me about 6 months, and then they're completely dying out on me after 6 months. Well, I wouldn't say dying out, but I would say that they're degrading. They start degrading very bad after about 6 months. And it's interesting because the warranty is for 6 months, so yeah. And with the Apple OEM battery, that's usually good for about a year, and then it starts degrading very slowly after that. Like, I know people that still use the Apple iPhone battery, the original, and they're on they've already used their iPhones for about a year and a half, and the battery is still good. It's kind of shocking because, I mean, these other companies, these third-party companies can't compete. So I don't know. I mean, I don't really understand. I was going to purchase a battery from iFixit, but they charge a lot for shipping. Like, I think it was 40 to 50 bucks. It came out to like 40 to 50 bucks Canadian after the whole subtotal and the total, and I just decided against it. I decided I'm going to try one last battery. I'm going to try this Baseus battery. Hopefully it's going to be good. Anyway, that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you like this style of video. I'll try to do more of them because it is easier. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.